Hello. I've got a review for you, I guess, of one of the products that I never knew existed, really. They are charger cable protectors, or USB cable protectors, from a company called Smiler Plus, the original whatever. On Amazon, they're $8.99, prime shipping, for a set of 4 of them. We've got instructions there, cable protector, protective cover installation process, very simple to do. You can use it with pretty much any cable, lightning, micro USB, USB-C, whatever. The listing is Cable Bite Charger Protectors Cute Animal Cord Cable Data Line Protect Cell Phone Accessory 4-pack. Is what it is here. In this pack, now there are other combinations you can get, by the way, at different prices and all that, but this one here comes with a tortoise or turtle. We have a shark, which is my favorite, of course, a puppy dog, and then a panda bear. Now, very, very simple to use. You can use them with anything. I have a USB-C cable here, and then I have this is a micro USB, but it's not your typical micro USB. This one is angled on both sides. I don't know if you can see that there. It's actually one of my favorite ones because it doesn't matter which way you put it in, it'll still connect micro USB. It's my favorite one. But anyway, you can use it with any cable here. Very, very simple to use these here. You just kind of, they're rubberized, as you see, or as you can see, whatever. And you kind of just do this, put it in, and pull it in, and there we go. That's it. Very simple. The idea is it protects the end from, from flexing a lot. That's the idea. I mean, this is the part, one of the weakest parts of any cable, as it were. That part's going to break and it's going to fray. Even these flat, wide ones fit in. No problem. Let me grab my other one here. This is a thicker one. This is another USB-C. It's a thicker one. This one's actually connected to my computer all the time. It's for my phone and tablet and all that stuff. But this one here, it's thicker, yes, but it does fit. It does still fit. Just a tighter fit. Get it in there. There we go. There's the dog. We have that. The shark, the dog. As you can see, it all depends on the cable. And actually, for some reason, I think the dog, I noticed, is kind of smaller than the other ones. I don't know. He seems smaller because the shark was easier to get on my USB cable here. My USB-C cable. Yeah, see? It fits much better in this one. The dog seems to be, I don't know, he seems to be thinner, I guess. I don't know, whatever. But it's a tighter fit. But there's the shark on my USB-C cable. Cool little product. I never knew these existed. They are neat. I guess they're useful. I mean, theoretically, they'll do what they're supposed to do. I mean, they, stop it from bending. And that's about it. And of course, you can still plug in, devices because there's a nice clearance, at least on all these ones that I have here. You can see there's a lot of clearance before you can still plug them in to your phone, your tablet, whatever. Anyway, Smiler Plus, Cable Bite, Charger Protectors, $8.99. I guess. Not sure if they're, about $2 a piece. I don't know. But you can get, let me see, real quick here. It is a 12-pack for $17. Which a bunch of different ones. They have a lot of different ones. Looks like they're hedgehog, sheep, duck, cat, penguin, raccoon, maybe a polar bear. I don't know. Oh, there's big mouth ones too. It looks like they have wider ones. If you go to the Amazon page down below, you can see the different choices. You can see the other ones that they have as well. But that's it. Cable Bite, charger protector. I mean, they're cute, they're neat. I guess they do it. They do the job. All right, thanks.